Stakeholders in St. James are now preparing for life after the state of emergency SOE, which is set to expire in a few weeks. There is hope that the gains of the last 2 years will be maintained with equal effectiveness or equal effective security measures. We have more in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
The position of the government is that there won't be a state of emergency in any police division by the time an election is called. And with an election expected to be announced soon, the SOEs will not be renewed once they expire on July 25. Over in St. James, stakeholders are preparing for life after the SOE. They have been living with the security measure for over 2 years.
We have gotten to a new norm as it relates to crime here in Montego Bay, in that instead of 4, 5, 6 murders per week, we are now down to sometimes less than 1 murder per week. And for that, we must commend the police during this challenging time. We must also commend the citizens during this time, because without good citizen relationship with the police, a number of activities that they conduct could not be successful without the citizens.
Furthermore, Montego Bay's Mayor Homer Davis believes the police and soldiers can contain gangsters in St. James without the presence of the SOE.
I think the police are sufficiently on top of some of the issues, and a number of the main players are now under the microscope of the police. So I think that as it relates to that last 2 years that we have had the state of emergency, I'm sure that the police are equipped with more information that they can say with some level of certainty who are the persons who are contributing to the crime across the city of Montego Bay.
The president of the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce, Janet Silvera, feels the SOEs must be replaced with equally effective crime-fighting measures. She said zones of special operations are among the measures she would consider post-SOE in St. James.
Jamaica, I would want to come into Montego Bay and have a number of businesses as part of their camera system. So I would want to see that happen quicker than ever with the SOE no longer. We have to put in place other measures immediately to ensure that that void that is going to be left will be filled with something that can help with crime fighting.
As of July 4, there were 58 murders in St. James, a 17% decrease in comparison to 2019. There were 65 shootings, representing a 7% decline. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.